Alrighty guys and gals, welcome back to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel. I'm Houston Kilby. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how we made a really affordable, really nice set of workbenches and organization cabinets out of old office cabinets. So we took a bunch of them and made this stuff you see behind us. So let's get on into it. Alrighty guys and gals, you guys can see here what the shelving system is that we were using in this current spot right beside my car here. And we're wanting to clean up this whole area and get this better organized. So let's dive into it and let's get these cabinets built and let's get this deal going.
It's been here for how many days and you already got wheels on it?
2 days.
2 days, been in the shop for about 30 minutes and already got wheels on it.
Yeah, it's been sitting outside for a few days, but this is our Frankenstein ghetto
Junk hole.
workbench.
Yeah, workbench and storage.
Yeah.
I guess if you want to say it a professional way, but the way I say it's going to be full of junk.
Exactly. It's going to hold junk, and keep it hid and look nice.
Exactly. There we go. That sounds better.
It's going to get painted and all that, but right now we're putting, trying to get it pieced together on what I think is going to work. So let's test it out. Let's get it flipped over and go from there. We still got to get the top of it put together.
Is it heavy? Well, it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lower cabinets.
Oh, I'm going to like it.
And it rolls easy too.
Dude, look at that.
Nice. I dig it, man.
Oh, look at that.
So you don't watch me around and I'll get slicker as not. Alright. Well, now get the top on it. Here's a good idea. Get you a man vise.
Yeah.
Let's do away with the Mickey Mouse vices in these shops, I'm telling you.
No.
Lord of mercy.
We broke one
I was
big
putting them
vise.
daggum Zeus fasteners in that thing. I was cussing that little Mickey Mouse thing over there for 30 minutes. Every time I put protein in it, that thing would just move over.
And when he says protein, he means 1 ugga, 2 ugga.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright.
Looks good though.
Getting there. Alright. Alright guys, there's one of the cabinets I just got done doing right there. My filing cabinets to kind of organize some business stuff. This is a bolt bin you guys saw me do years ago on the YouTube channel that went over really well. And that's like the theme that we're doing on all the cabinets there. So walk y'all over here. Y'all can see how messy it is in the shop right now. And I am ready to change all that. And so right now we're in the mix to work on this corner. You guys remember the big shelving system that was over there, and all that's gone now. So currently working on our next batch of shelves and cabinets that's going on the wall. We're going with cabinetry now. I found these on Facebook Marketplace. These are like cubicle style, just cabinets with the lid on it. That's the lid for that one right there. And I'm just working on mounting them, and it's going to get that same paint scheme like what you saw those cabinets back there. So the lids I just paint with a charcoal gray, and then I throw some of this on there. This is that fast drying textured stone finish, and it gives it a pretty neat look to it. I just like it because it cleans it up and it's not just a solid color. It's just me, but it's like a poor boy's really expensive look, I guess. But that same look is going to be going on these down here as well. So I'm gonna hammer down here, get these cabinets put up, get this reorganized, and let you guys see that just how much better all this is gonna look. I know it's piled up, but we're fixing that, and this is to try to make this area more professional looking and cleaner and more organized. I've got a fuel injector cleaning machine, and it's sitting right over there. I'm wanting that to be set up and out so I can use it, and that way it's got its own little station and all that. And just that section over there, I'm wanting it to be like a battle station for the race car, and that way there's tools that stay in here that don't go in the trailer, but is meant for that car when I'm working on it in here. And there's a lot of odds and ends stuff like that when it comes to that, like spare parts that you always don't take with you to the track and stuff like that, and so on and so forth. So that's what I'm working on. Goals. At the same time, working on customer stuff too. It's just like each night I'm spending like an hour on this to keep that moving forward. It's how I'm handling it and using some time management there to make things happen. So how do you like that? Some daggum office managing words there. How do you like that? So yeah, hammer down, get stuff done. That's what we're doing. All right, guys, we're getting there. Let that stuff dry. See, that one's already looking better right there. As it's drying, it looks wavy as all get out, but I think after it dries, it'll clear up pretty good. If we need to put another coat on it, we will. It's looking good. Throw a few stickers on there or something, it's gonna look pretty dang nice. All right, guys, we're getting there. Check it out. Getting everything more and more organized. I'm wanting to paint the countertop over there, get it one color and stuff, and be looking good. But yeah, guys, we're getting there. It's starting to look a whole lot better. We just gotta get the rest of that organized a little bit better over through there. It won't take too much, and we'll be looking way better. Jesse, man.
Yeah, man, what's happening?
What do you think about this organization over here?
I like it, man. It's simple, it's cheap, and it gets the job done.
It gets the job done, man. We just put a coat of paint on the top of it right there, and it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. This calmed down this whole area right here.
That shelf
big time.
was just a freaking
It was a mess.
12-foot clutter.
It was.
That's all it was.
Yeah, to be exact, 12 foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a mess. But we cleaned it up, not bad. We just had $50 invested in all the cabinets, and then the wood I used and the wheels I had was just all leftover stuff from Jesse. You know me, I'm gonna have wheels on things.
100%. I mean, it ain't Gilby approved then.
That's it. Hey, I did find a hack on buying those wheels though. It is cheaper to get 4 of them if you buy one of those wooden moving dollies at Harbor Freight. It's $10, and you get...
Them moving dollies are handy too.
Yeah, you get the cart and 4 caster wheels
so now
for $10.
Every time you buy wheels for something,
Yeah.
then you're going to get a free...
Yeah, $1 to go with
dolly.
it. Well, I mean, each wheel is $6 a piece. So if you have to buy 4 individual wheels, 6 times 4, versus as just $10 for $1.
Harbor Freight, man.
Harbor Freight hack for you right there, guys.
Stand on, all you guys, just stand back.
Yeah, just stand back.
I don't see how y'all compete.
That's it. Well, guys, we're gonna get on out of here. We just want to do an episode here of literally us just organizing, but that's what it turned out to be right there. Did you know the last video we done on organization, the one with our bolt bin back there? Did you know it's like almost at 25,000 views?
That's insane, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, you guys like bolt bins and organization
We're just gonna
stuff.
have to just get in the organization. That tells you something.
Yep.
And he start organizing the shop.
Yep. So if this video blows up right here, we'll do more of these. But,
Yeah.
oh my
the
God.
shop don't mind it a bit.
But I couldn't believe it. Like, I went back to just look at some of our old videos of when we done that bolt bend back there at the back of the shop. And yeah, man, almost 25,000 views on that thing.
That's crazy, man.
That's crazy. But yeah, guys, we're on out of here. Be sure to comment down below what you guys think of that right there. I think it's pretty cool. It helps us out, it cleans it up, and I think it's going to make for some really nice, cool videos in the future and stuff as well. So yeah, Jesse, going racing on the 15th
Of this month. Rock and roll,
GTO.
man.
So you guys hang tight.
Good
We've
deal.
got everything basically ready and ready to rock and roll. So I'm excited, and we'll have a sit down talk with the GTO and tell it better go A to B.
Yeah.
And no rain.
Yeah, no rain, Lord. Honestly, that's our deal breaker right
Oh
there.
my gosh, man. The past few times we went to Bristol, we get rained out. It's been terrible.
That's
But
the Bermuda Triangle, man.
Bristol's bad for that.
Yeah.
It just is. Well, guys, we're out of here. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate you, and hope y'all enjoyed this episode. We will see y'all in the next one.